Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about another two of this array method as a every and then sum. Like I better name it as a array method. Okay, that will be as a array method. An array method, two of this array method I want to discuss about. That will be around the every method. Okay, every method, and another will be as a sum method. So now I want to show that things with the live example. Right now I remove everything. Okay, I remove everything. Like here I take one of the variable as a numbers, and now here that is in our all that array data, right? So this array here I want to do and to check it. Everything is the positive data or the negative data. So if there have any positive data, I want to do and to get this all that positive data, and that will be displayed as a true. So if you want to check it, you can check it with the every function. Just simply remember that function name. I take another constant variable. Okay, I take another constant variable and I just name it as a data. Okay, I name it as a data, and then now with our numbers, and here I want to call that our every function. You can see there is another method. So there is every method here with this. I want to check it. First of all I load one of the functions into this, and with the function I want to pass one of the parameter as a number. Whatever the name I should choose, now I name it as a number. Okay, now I want to return this number. That means from here there is a return our number, right? So when this number will be as a greater than 0, okay, then that will be as a greater than 0, then I want to get all the data. So with this every method, it should be check every data in our this array. Is there have any negative number or not? So right now they have the no negative number, right? All that are positive number. For the reasons now that should be displayed, which things that should be displayed as a true. Like I check it with the console. Okay, console with the console log. I want to check our this data. Okay, I want to check it. Now everything will be more clear. Now if you click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, and now you can see it's now successfully displayed as a true. Like here, if they have any minus data, that means I make it as a -2. Okay, that is actually negative number. If you click as a save all, now that should be displayed as a false. You can see it's now displayed as a false. Okay friend, now I want to call our this sum method. So if you use that sum method with this method will be check our this array, is there have any positive data or not. So if there have any one positive number, okay, if there have any one positive number, then that will be returned as a true. But when you use that as every method will be check all that number should be as a positive number. Okay, but when you use that as a sum, if there have any one number is a positive, and if there have the multiple one as a negative data, then it's totally fine. That will be displayed as a true. I show you, like here I want to run that sum method right now. Okay, I make it as a sum. So before you can say I have already used that as every. So if there have any negative number, one negative number is here, but for the reasons it's display as a false. So right now I'm using that our sum method. So into this sum method area, if there have one positive number, then that should be displayed as a true. So right now they have the multiple one as a positive number, only one is the negative number, right? If you now click as a save all, and now that should be displayed as a true. Click as a refresh. Yeah, you can see it's now displayed as a true. I hope you get some of the idea. With this every method, you can check all that your array data, that is the positive data or not. With the sum, you can check all that your array data, that is the is one any positive number is or not. Okay, so that is the simple two of this method. Just simply remember all that method name. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.